ready to ditch the event planning chaos and unlock a streamlined, stress-free experience. Let's dive into how Asana can be your ultimate event planning sidekick. First, create a new project in Asana and title it after your event. Think annual company retreat or charity gala 2020 for now. Break down your event into key phases like planning, vendor coordination, marketing, and on-site execution and turn them into sections on your board. This gives you a clear visual roadmap. Next, populate each section with specific tasks. Under vendor coordination, you might have confirmed catering menu. Break down bigger tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks like review proposals, schedule tasting, and finalize contract. Assign due dates and responsible team members to each task. Assign tasks to the right people and set realistic due dates. This is crucial for accountability. Use custom fields to track important information like task priority, budget allocation, or vendor contact details. Utilize Asana's timeline view to visualize your event's schedule. Drag and drop tasks to adjust deadlines and identify potential conflicts before they become problems. This is your secret weapon for staying on track. Keep all event-related documents and communication in one place. Attach vendor contracts, marketing materials, and floor plans directly to the relevant tasks. Use the comments section to discuss details with your team, keeping all conversations centralized and searchable. Supercharge your workflow by integrating Asana with other tools you already use, like Google Calendar or Slack. This ensures seamless information flow and keeps everyone informed. Asana is your one-stop shop for event success.